Today we saw the clearest demonstration yet of the effect of Justice Antonin Scalia's death on the Supreme Court. The court handed a major victory to labor unions that represent government workers in a case the unions seemed at one point all but certain to lose. The court tied 4-4 in a case that challenged whether unions could collect fees from government workers who don't want to belong to the union but who benefit from things like contract negotiations. And it was a case that, had Justice Scalia still been on the court, it appeared from when the case was argued in January that the unions would have lost and that Justice Scalia would have joined his 4 conservative colleagues in ruling against the unions. So the 4-4 tie basically leaves in effect the ruling that had been issued by the lower court, which in this case ruled in favor of the unions.
Few are more consequential than appointing a Supreme Court justice.
So this case is now over. The issue itself is not necessarily nationwide. And by that I mean that the decision today does not set a nationwide precedent, so that in theory another group of teachers somewhere else could bring a case.
On the Supreme Court are the final arbiters of American law.
It may provide some ammunition to both sides in the fight over choosing a successor to Justice Scalia. But groups on both sides of this issue, that is, people who want the decision to await the next president, and those who are urging the Senate to act now and confirm President Obama's nominee, Judge Merrick Garland, both have said that today's outcome shows why there's a need for their point of view.